Namah Shivaya. Shivji Sada Sahai. Om Namah Shivaya. Guruji
Dear
Sada
Sangaji,
Sahai.
Guruji has lovingly
From the
advised
book
us to
Light of
listen to each satsang
Divinity,
in its
this satsang
entirety,
has been
from the
converted into
beginning to
audio
the
for
end,
our
as each
English-speaking
satsang
Sangat.
has the
Guruji
potential
reminds
to
us to
answer our
listen to the
doubts
Sangat
and
fully
queries in its
as
own
it
unique way.
answers our doubts
The
and
blessings of
questions.
Guruji
The
are
blessing
shared
is
between
shared
both the
equally by the
reader
sharer
and the
and the
listener.
listener.
So therefore,
Om
let us
Namah
make time and listen
Shivaya.
with devotion and an open
Shivji
heart.
Sada
Shukrana Guruji.
Sahai.
Jai Guruji.
Om Namah
Jai Guruji,
Shivaya.
Man of
Guruji
medicine bows to
Sada
the
face.
light of divinity.
Sahai.
Dr. Inder Mohan Bhatia
Satsang,
was born
you
into
are
a
my
well-to-do
Lord, Father and
business
Mother.
family of Punjab.
It was a warm
His father,
Saturday
elected
evening
mayor
of
of
May
the Amritsar
2002,
Municipal
and
Corporation
the
a record number
atmosphere
of
was
times,
buzzing with
had a
excitement.
passion for serving the
We
downtrodden,
were
his
going on
son
an
in law.
excursion with Guruji to
This
Ramgarh,
influenced his
a
decision
place
to study
around 21
medicine
kilometers
after
from the hill
graduating
station
from the
of
Government
Nainital,
Medical College
where
in
a devotee
Amritsar
had
in
a resort.
1962.
Everything was
4
in
years
readiness,
later, a young man of
luggage
30
had been
years,
packed,
he had done his
2
master's
buses
surgery
and a
from
few cars were
AIMI
stationed
and
outside the
MD.
Empire State
His
Gate.
specialty was in dealing
On
with
Guruji's
oculars
signal,
and
the
he very
Sangat got inside the
successfully
buses,
assisted
with
in
Guruji himself getting
AIMI.
into one of them.
The
There
doctor
was a brief
naturally imbibed a
scramble as
strong
the devotees
scientific
tried to get
background,
into
and
the
after
bus Guruji
5
was
years
traveling
tested its
in.
need for
Then the
fuel.
buses roared and the trip was
Then in
on.
year 2002,
We were at
something happened
Ramgarh
to
at
affect
about
his
3
future.
p.m. the following day.
He went to see
After
Guruji
washing
along with
up
his
and
daughter-in-law.
having lunch,
He recounts
we
his
sat down
experience
in
to
the
his own
resort
words.
garden waiting for Guruji to
We
come
were
out.
total strangers.
Waiting with us
He was
were
32.
devotees from the
I
surrounding
accepted
areas
the
who had
same,
come
but
to know of
she, the
Guruji's
daughter-in-law,
presence.
refused.
In
Guruji saw this
Nainital,
and
couple
immediately said,
blessed
"This is
the
not
child.
tea, but your
One of the
medicine.
devotees who had come from
You'll be
Nainital was
blessed with
about
a
to
son,
bow
and
in
that's
front
why
of
you have
Guruji
come
when he
here."
said, "You have 3
My
wives
daughter-in-law
and
had
you
been
are
married for the
allowed."
last 4 years,
That
and the
devotee,
best
Nasser,
specialists
was
had already
stunned
told us all
that the
that it would be
Sadguru knew
very
his
difficult,
personal
if not
nature.
impossible,
He
for
had
her
been
to
married for
conceive.
15 years,
This
but
had
none of
upset
his
her.
wives had been able to
Here,
conceive.
we were taken aback as nobody knew
Nasser
about her
continued
problem.
coming to
After 1
Guruji's
month, she
darshan every
conceived
day
and was
along
blessed
with
with
his
a
wife.
beautiful son.
After a few
All my
days,
doctor friends
Nasser
who
came
knew about her
alone
problem
from
told me that
Guruji
it was
to ask
indeed
him
a
where his
miracle.
wife was.
The
Guruji
doctor's
was
faith in
told
the
that she
hitherto
was
fixed
unwell
laws of
with
science
stomach
was
pain and
shaken.
headaches.
He says it was very
Guruji
hard for him to
rubbed his
accept and
interpretation.
rationalize
Telling
phenomena
Nasser that there was
that
nothing
happened
wrong
to
with
him
her
in
and
the
that she had
presence of
conceived.
Guruji.
His words came
He
true
was
as 2
recovering
months
from an
after the
overdose to
excursion.
scientific
Nasser
rationalism
sent a
when
message
another
around the time
instance
of
of
Guruji's
Guruji's divine
birthday,
intercession
which
occurred.
falls on the 7th of July,
His
that
daughter-in-law's
doctors had
grandmother,
confirmed
a
his wife's
70-year-old
pregnancy.
lady who was severely diabetic,
15 years of
developed
infertility had
neuropathic
been
pain,
dismissed at the
and paralysis
Mahaprabhu's
was
very
attacking
first
her lower
darshan.
legs.
In
She could
February
not move her bowel
2003,
easily.
Nasser was
She was
blessed with a boy
examined by the
and
cream
came on
of
Shivratri to
AII
thank
and MS's
Guruji and
neurologist.
seek a name for his
They took a
son.
battery of tests,
Guruji
EEG and
named the boy
MRI,
Murad,
and advised
signifying
immediate
the
surgery
fulfillment
to
of
save her
wish.
from complete paralysis.
Train journey
The date of the
provides a
surgery had
ticket
been
to
fixed
health.
when I brought her to Guruji.
I was
the
commanding one of the
doctor.
elite commando
Before
units of the
leaving, I
National
asked Guruji
Security
to bless
Guard,
us so that the surgery would be
NSC, at
successful.
Manesar, around
He
40
looked at me and
kilometers from
said very
Delhi.
bluntly, "What sort of
Guruji was
surgery?"
in Chandigarh in
He
December
pointed
of
out that she had already
1996,
taken prasad
and I
and that
got
she would
his
be
message
okay
to
now.
come home to
So we
come to
postponed the
Chandigarh for 3
surgery and
days.
she started recovering.
I took casual
In a
leave
few
and
weeks,
left.
she was perfectly
At that
normal.
time, I was suffering
Dr.
from
Bhatia says
spondylitis
that over the
and used
years
to
he
have
has seen
severe
many more
pain
amazing
on the
cures.
entire right
Severe
arm,
cardiac problems
with
as
my
well as
right thumb
malignancies
often
have been
getting
cured
numb.
due to Guruji's grace.
I reached Chandigarh and
Miracles
stayed there
happen
for 3
even
days
without
with
bringing
Guruji,
problems to Guruji's
deciding to
notice.
return by bus to Delhi
Dr.
on
Bhatia
Sunday
believes that
after
for
getting
Guruji to
Guruji's
help
permission.
anyone, one must
The
have
note was
complete
given,
faith,
but I was
patience,
told to
and the
go by
capacity
train.
to surrender.
I was apprehensive of
Guruji's
train
greatest
travel,
gift to me
that
has been a
too without
total
reservation
transformation of
and
his
during winter,
personality.
as it compounded my
My
problem.
life has become full of peace
In an
and
unreserved
tranquility,
cabin, the
notes
cold
Dr.
could be
Bhatia.
biting.
He has
An
provided me
officer
with an
took me at the
anchor,
Chandigarh
an
railway
unflinching
station,
belief
and I
in the
managed to get a
existence of a
middle berth
divine
in a
order.
3-tier sleeper compartment.
Satsang
I
as
boarded the
narrated.
train at 3:30 at night
Dr.
and
Inder
fell
Mohan
asleep
Bhatia,
immediately.
MBBS,
I got up when the train
DOMS,
reached New Delhi at a
MS,
chilly 7:30 in the morning.
AIIMS.
I had been expecting to endure agonizing pain, but there was none. It has been more than a decade since that day, and my spondylitis and its pain has never reappeared. It is worth noting that I never mentioned this problem to
Dear
Guruji, nor did he ever say anything to me.
Guruji
I
has
had
lovingly
merely obeyed
advised
the
us
Sadguru's
to
word of
listen
hukum,
to each
which
satsang in
signifies the
its
divine will, show
Mohan
and the
Singh
problem has
for
gone
a
away.
month.
To the end.
The Sadguru's divine will,
Hundreds would come
so
for his
often
darshan.
benign, can also make a
They
mockery
came from
of
the
modern
desert of the
scientific
Rajasthan
notions
in
of
bullock
healing.
carts and
I
tongas,
had been
and they
diagnosed
came
with
with their
diabetes
worries
in
and problems.
1995 and my
between both
Through a
sugar
the
level
glance
leader
and
or a
blood pressure
benediction
were
given
shooting
through
up
the
to high
mills of a
levels.
copper
Let
tumbler,
us
This
make
was an
time
Guruji
area
would
of
help
professional
them.
with
concern
devotion
His
for me,
devotees,
open
Mr.
for
heart.
the
Grewal
army
being one of
demanded
them,
high
would
levels of
act as
fitness.
interpreters for the
I
people.
approached Guruji with the problem, and Guruji
He
blessed a copper
remembered how
tumbler
once the members
from
of a
which I drank
panchayat
water
approached
daily.
Guruji with a peculiar
I was
problem.
also directed to
The
get
community well
tests done
had been
afresh
dry
after a week.
for 80 years.
During
Could
this
Guruji
week, I
get
had
it
my
to
fill
fill
of
the water?
prasad, which was, as usual, lots of
3
sweets,
days later,
poison
the
for
answer was a
diabetics.
very loud
Yet a
yes.
week later, the tests were
Through the streets
astonishing.
of Jaipur,
Every
the villagers
parameter used
came
to
as a
check the
party
blood
making
was
noisy
within the normal
celebration
limit,
with drums
and my
along
blood
the
pressure
way
was as healthy as a young
and
man's.
chanting,
Thus,
Guru
even after
Baba, the
eating a
water
huge
has
amount of
come.
sweet prasad, sugar levels were
Guruji
kept at
advised the
an
exhilarated
absolutely normal
villagers
level.
never to sell the
That is
water.
because the langar and prasad given at Guruji's
Others
contain
who came to
amrit,
him were
which
similarly
cures and
relieved,
relieves every
whether they
ailment.
had plagued by
One
disease
only needs
or
to accept
agitated
and
by
consume
mental
it with
conflict
faith or
or
shraddha.
family strife.
It is only when the disciple surrenders
It
and
was
hands
not only
himself
the
over to
commoners
the
who were blessed.
Sadguru, then and only then
When
does he
Maharaja
experience the
and
effect
Major
of divinity
Bhavani
on
Singh
his
came,
life.
he was carried
There are
up by
many ways in
Guruji
which Guruji
by 4
showers his
people.
blessings upon devotees.
A few days
Often
later,
what
he was
Guruji
healthy
orders
enough
may
to
appear
walk
weird,
around.
but the secret of making the best of it is to accept and
Diamonds
act
and
as
petals
directed.
out of thin
That
air.
is what surrender is.
Sometimes it is just the
When
heartfelt
it
desire
rained
of a devotee
mercy
that
on my
gets
army
Guruji the
unit.
embodiment of
While I
Lord
was a
Shiva,
group commander
who
of
is
the
famed as
NSG
the
during
easily pleased
1995 to
Ashutosh, to
1998,
respond.
the Director General was to inspect the unit.
It so
The
happened
soldiers
that
worked
Mr.
very
Grewal's
hard
wife,
to get
Mrs.
the
Rimple,
unit spick and span.
Mrs. Rimple,
The unit road
Guruji
was swept clean of
was with
dust and
Sangat in
even the
district
leaves of the
Sangrur,
surrounding
Punjab.
trees were brushed up.
He asked
The
Mrs.
tree
Rimple to
trunks
come
and the
before
brick
him
lining
and
bordering the
materialize 2
approach road to the
beautiful
unit got a
diamond
paint
studs
of geru,
and place them on
terracotta.
her hands.
The entire unit was ready for the
The Guru's
inspection,
present
hoping to
was
get a
gift wrapped in
shabash,
English
well
pound.
done, from the Director General.
12
On
years
D-Day,
after they
I
were
was
gifted to
driving up
his
from
wife,
Delhi
they
to
still
Manesar at
retain a
7 in the
rosy
morning.
fragrance
It
typical
started
of
raining.
Guruji's presence.
Then it turned torrential. By the time I
At
neared
other times,
Manesar, I could
Guruji
not be helped
gives
but be dejected.
specially needed
All the labor
blessings.
the unit boys had put in would get washed away.
New
I
Year's
prayed to
Eve
Guruji that
was
this
being
not happen.
celebrated by
I
Sangat
was
at the
amazed
residence
as I
of
entered the
Mr.
unit
Girewal's
gate.
father-in-law.
The unit ground showed no signs of
Suddenly,
rain.
a shower
The
of
staff told me
petals
that it was raining
came
everywhere,
forth from the
but
air
not on
and
the
continued
unit.
falling
As
on
for
his
the
father-in-law for a
inspection,
couple of minutes.
it exceeded expectations. The Director
Another
General
10
said the
minutes
unit
later,
was an
a lady
example
devotee,
for other
Mrs.
units.
Bardan,
But
was
as soon as the
similarly
DG
blessed.
left, it started raining in my unit as well.
The
The
miracles
divine
showed
hand was
the
evident.
Guru's love for his
A devotee's
disciples.
sincere prayer had been enough to bring
For
forth
as
Guruji's
Mr.
grace.
Girewal says,
I felt as if a
Guruji
divine
needs nothing
protective
from
umbrella had been placed over the unit
In
while it rained
fact,
hard
he takes
everywhere
your
else.
misery,
In
causing
the evening, when I went to Empire Estate,
upon himself
Guruji remarked on
to
the
relieve
event,
you of suffering.
testifying that it was he who had kept the
All
rain
he
from
wants
spoiling the show.
is your love.
Guruji takes care of me and my family in every way. As
Jai
this
Guruji,
incident shows,
Shukrana
I have
Guruji,
no words to thank the
Anantam,
one who is
Anantam,
above all.
Shukrana Guruji.
Weight gain through faith. My wife used to be a little thin, and try as she might, she could not put on weight. In fact, she had not gained weight even when she was with child. Guruji, however, used to repeatedly tell her that he had increased her weight by 5 to 10 kilos. The family could not notice any change in her weight initially, but after some time she started getting a wholesome roundedness to her figure. So much so that her younger son started calling her Motu, or Fatsa. Even in this brief working of Guruji's will, it was evident that Guruji has his own ways, methods and time frames to regulate the life cycle of an individual. As human beings, our vision is myopic. We worry about the near future and about small worldly things. The omniscient Guru looks beyond the shadow of the past, the narrow present and the unimaginable future. When he grants us something, it is within the context of a cosmic and not merely an individual perspective. That is why one should develop an attitude of unquestioning surrender towards him. He should put him in the place of his father, mother, beloved and friend, and with the distilled essence of his love, throw himself at the Sadguru's feet. It is of paramount importance that the disciple does all the tasks the Sadguru assigns to him. The results of the deeds, however, should be left to the Sadguru. For the Sadguru, the only truly illumined person, alone knows what is best for the disciple, and his compassion knows no bounds, extending equally to the disciples as to their near and dear ones. I feel Guruji is like Lord Shiva, who drank up the poison that came out when the ocean was being churned for his treasures by the gods and the demons. Guruji also drains the poison from his disciples' lives. Not even those you most dearly love and cherish can take your pain, even if they wish to relieve you of suffering. Your father, mother, friends, relatives, children, none of them can do so. The Sadguru can even bestow life on you, and only he can be truly yours. A stanza from the Ramcharitamanas put it aptly. More Prabhu tum Guru, Pita, Mata, jaun kahan, tazi pad jal jata. My Lord, you are my Guru, Father and Mother. Where else can I find solace but at your feet? My niece is cured of depression. My niece Bhavna, who lives in Jaipur, was in very bad shape. She had been admitted to a local hospital and was in the D1 list. My sister called me up while I was driving into Guruji's at Empire Estate. She was in tears, but I had no opportunity to tell Guruji of the problem. After most devotees had left, Guruji sat down in the hall and began saying that he was not feeling well. I felt that since Guruji was unwell, he should not be told anything. But I was surprised when he started describing Bhavna's symptoms to me. He told me to get a particular medicine from the All India Institute of Medicine, New Delhi. It was 1 o'clock at night and I returned in an hour with the medicine in hand. Guruji told me to throw these in the dustbin and asked me to take my wife to Jaipur for a day and return. In the morning, I rang up my sister and learned that Bhavna was a little better and would be discharged by evening. Though her problems had disappeared, Bhavna was still depressed. The next day, my wife left for Jaipur. As soon as she met Bhavna, Bhavna became cheerful and got over her depression. The change was there for all to see. Subsequently, my entire circle of close family members and relatives felt Guruji's blessings on their lives. Guruji is a Mahapurush, a divine being. When I would take a walk along with Guruji, the Mahapurush's divine body would exude a rosy fragrance from the sole of his shoes. If you sat in the Sangat hall with him and surrendered yourself to him, your body would start exuding the fragrance. Such is the effect of his aura. So great is the gap between mortals and the immortal Guru. The Sadguru is, as is those experiences show, omniscient. His presence is felt at a number of places at any instant of time. He repeats the conversations which a husband has with his wife when the couple is miles away from his physical presence. One finds that the sacred literature of this country is but a brief commentary on his oceanic being. As a stanza from the Ramcharitmanas says, Binu pag chalahi sunahi binu kana, kar binu karam kare vidhi nana. Walk without legs, hear without ears, work without hands, the Lord does all. Satsang of Colonel Retired S.K. Joshi, Senior Executive with Reliance Infocom. Jai Guruji.